In this video, we'll be telling about how to remove any members from any Telegram channel. For this, first what we need to do is open Telegram application. After opening Telegram application, select the channel from which you want to remove any member. For example, I'm selecting this channel. Important thing you should keep in mind is that you should be admin or owner of that Telegram channel to remove any members. Anyways, when you're opening Telegram channel, above you can see that channel's name. Click on channel's name. When you're clicking on that, you'll reach a page like this. Here under members section, you can see two options, subscribers and administrators. Click on subscribers. When you're clicking on subscribers, you can see every members in this channel. To remove any member, what you need to do is long press on that member's name. When you're long pressing, you can see one option, remove from channel. When you're clicking on remove from channel, that person will be removed from this channel. So this way you can easily remove any members from any Telegram channel. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.